Have you ever noticed that villains just feel more powerful than heroes? The moment a villain steps on screen, everything pauses. No background noise, just a heavy silence. All eyes lock on their presence. That raw confidence, that magnetic aura. Whether it's Thanos, the Joker, or Magneto, when they appear, you can feel the energy shift. They don't need to shout, they just smirk and walk, and you know you're in the presence of someone truly dangerous. Is it simply because they're evil? Or is there something heroes lack? Today, we're diving into the dark psychological truths that make villains so irresistibly powerful, and why none of us can forget them. Heroes versus villains, the rules of the game. Heroes always have their hands tied. Moral codes, social expectations. What will people think? Is this fair? Is this right? Villains don't. No ethics, no guilt, no rules, only results. That freedom becomes their biggest weapon. When you play without limits, you stay one step ahead. Results-driven mindset. Villains don't waste time on should I. They ask what works. That single question fuels every move. Strategy over sympathy. Impact over image. Look at real-world power players. Warren Buffett in finance. Elon Musk in tech. Those who bend the rules to redefine the game ended up shaping the world. Emotional intelligence, or weaponized emotions. Heroes bottle up anger, pride, revenge. Told since childhood to be good, stay humble. But villains harness those exact emotions as fuel. They convert rage into relentless drive, pride into unshakable vision, vengeance into laser-focused mission. They don't hide their darkness, they weaponize it. Brutal honesty versus forced positivity. Rotations, especially teens, RDs. Help this video hit 5K likes for part 2. The world only recognizes two types of people, the predators and the prey. If you're prey, the world will stomp you underfoot. But if you're a predator, the world will learn to fear you. The world is a battlefield, a war zone where only the strongest survive. Here the weak are hunted like small fish by larger predators. The day you understand this harsh reality, are you tired of living a life weighed down by depression and confusion, where you plaster on a fake smile for friends and family? Or do you crave a reality where you walk into any room with unshakable confidence, a mastermind commanding every eye and every mind? If you're ready to transform yourself from the background into the spotlight, then you don't want to miss part 2. On screen now are the exact strategies to build ironclad mental strength and a physique that speaks volumes. So tap in and let's forge the new you.